my CD friends, Brenda here from the Pop-Up Homestead. I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I'm out in the raised bed garden. As you can see, I got the wall of snow peas behind me. I think it's an understatement to say they're doing well. They're very happy. Try not to move it too fast so you can see. That's one side of the raised bed. So we just got back from a vacation, a little trip, very educational. We were gone Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Came back late Sunday night. And instead of doing the greenhouse chat, I thought I would do a garden chat out here with you, seeing as how it's 85 degrees here today. And this is Monday. And it's supposed to be raining on Tuesday. So I thought I would just jump the gun and do it on Monday. Anyhow, very warm up. Too warm to be in the greenhouse, in all honesty. The plants did great while we were gone on our trip. We went to Homesteading Life Conference with Doug and Stacy. We met some really cool people. In fact, we got 3 interviews with 3 different really awesome groups of people that we can't wait to share with you. They need a little editing, so it'll take a little while. But yeah, we learned a ton about electroculture, about pearl powder, about just the topics are endless. Cast iron. It just was it was a real good learning experience, and I highly recommend if you haven't gone to any type of homesteading event, especially one put on by Doug and Stacy. I highly recommend it. You guys won't be disappointed. There was over 2,000 people there, and it was a little muddy, but you know what? It was great because we all got grounded, and it made it more fun, honestly. And yeah, there were tons of classes, and we learned so much stuff. It was amazing. We got to meet Zack from An American Homestead. That was super cool. We got to meet and talk to Doug and Stacy, 2 people who got us started on the path that we're on. So we're really excited about that. We actually stayed and helped them clean up at the end. Sean loaded their trucks for them and stuff and did what he could to help. And then they were gracious enough to do an interview with us. And then we met a really nice couple there, Generations Homestead. And they actually, when they were driving home from the event, they said, "We're binge watching all your videos." So that was pretty funny. But yeah, we've been watching their videos. They've been watching ours. So it's been a great connection. But we'll be posting all those videos. What else has been going on? Well, we were busy getting ready for that. And then obviously we came back here. We had a bunch of work to do. I'm really glad to see that all the plants did well. The chickens did fantastic. Let me turn you. Yeah, the woods is creeping in on us. As you can see, the chickens are doing great. The fruit trees are doing well. This is our other raised bed. I just got a couple cherry tomatoes in here, a couple Romas, San Marzano tomatoes, and a couple bumblebee cherry tomatoes, and a few sweet 100s. And then the rest are just little pepper plants, just sweet bell peppers. Nothing fancy. We don't actually eat a whole lot of produce, so these are to take to market, or you know, I'll probably use the perfect pickler and pickle some of them. But who knows? I planted some sweet potatoes today. So I've got sweet potatoes going. I've got white potatoes growing. And then I want to go over here and see if we have any. I think we're going to get apples and pears for the first time this year. So that's pretty exciting. You're on the wrong side. Get back in there. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? That's an apple. I'm going to see if I can get you right up there. Yes. That'll be the first fruit that we successfully have grown on our homestead. We've had these trees for 3 years. And, yeah, no fruit yet. We've always had some sort of reason why it wouldn't grow. So whether it be late frost or what. So the chickens are doing good. They're happy. Happy chickens. Still getting a lot of eggs. There's the self-watering chicken coop. The little nipples at the bottom. There's Lav, our big lavender Orpington. And I was gonna go, those are our little pecan trees we just planted. I'm gonna go over and see if there's any pears growing. Sean said we did have pears growing. Last time I looked, we had peaches. But I'm not sure that the peaches are going to stick around any longer. Peaches tend to be a little more of a challenge. There's one of our peach trees. I don't know. I'd be surprised if the peaches came all the way to fruition. But who knows? There's another fruit tree. I think that's a pear. All the tags fell off, so I'm not really sure. But, you know, hey, what are you going to do? Yeah, I believe this is the one he said had good fruit on it. Sean takes care of the chickens, so I don't really go in the chicken yard very often. Unless it's time to prune or something like that, or harvest. Yeah, not really seeing any fruit on it, but who knows? They could have fallen off. Tree looks healthy though. Looks good. Anyhow, this is Brenda from the Pop-Up Homestead. We had a great time at the event. Super glad to be home. Super glad to be back. Sunny skies. Lots of trees. Everything on our homestead looks fantastic. But it was nice to have a little break. Stay in a hotel. Woo, fancy. Anyhow, take care of my ZD friends. Until next time. Bye.